And let's get started. Yep, what's up, catch up? This is your pal Brian Cabigao, welcoming you once again to my channel for the nth time as well, inviting everybody to please do subscribe and hit that bell button to your right for you to get notified in the future. Also follow me on Instagram at Cabigao Brian for you to see my pics. Now, welcome to my 9th vlog. Can't believe I've done 9 vlogs already. Yes, and for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my newest collaboration. Yes, I'm just so happy, of course. I'm always happy every time I get a collaboration, for all we know. Yeah, alright, so I just got an email recently and stating that I got selected to represent and to be part of their campaign. So I'm just so thankful, of course, and happy to be sharing these recent product that I have here in front of me. So without further ado, I'm going to be unboxing a sneaker or shoes from KALON sneakers. Also, just a quick introduction about the brand. KALON sneakers was launched last February of this year, so it's pretty new, pretty fresh, and I'm pretty sure that this is the next sneaker label that everybody's going to look up to. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's unbox this and let's check out what's inside it. Alright, so first things first, you gotta see the plastic. So yeah, they sent me this. Yep, KALON sneakers. Thank you so much, of course. And we got a logo on the other side. Yep, look at that. I love the logo actually. It's pretty classy. Pretty dope. Yep. Now let's open the plastic, of course, and take out the sneakers so let's see what's inside the box. Yep. Ta-da! Righty, KALON sneakers. Oh yeah, for all we know, now what does KALON mean? Or what is KALON basically? So KALON means beauty that is more than skin deep. Ooh, very deep. Now, yep. Everything's KALON, or as you can see, everything's just has its name on it, even tape, of course the box, which I like because it's black and I love black and white so much. Yeah, so let's remove the tape. And let's open the box. So let's check out what's inside. Ooh, there's a letter. Tuwa naman. There's a letter. So let's read what's on the letter. So Brian, thanks for joining Team KALON. So happy to have you on board. Cheers. Evelyn, thank you so much, Evelyn. So by the way, Evelyn is the CEO of KALON Sneakers. Yes. And ooh, yeah, so we got stickers here as well. So oh, how cute. How cute. So KALON sneakers, stickers, and we got a dust bag. Is this for real? Yeah, so we got a dust bag. Not every sneakers label, sneaker brand would give you a dust bag. So it's so cute, it's so cool. So yeah, got a dust bag right over here with their logo as well. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. See that? So premium, of course. See that? Very classy. And of course, moving on to the sneakers. Yep, so you can see there's just so many stickers with their logo. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Look at that. This is so fresh out the oven, fresh out the box. Look at that. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, I'll get the other pair as well. So here is the pair. Wow, look at that. Oh, thank you so much, KALON sneakers. These are so premium. Look at that. So as you can see, okay, now I'll try to explain the details. Okay, so it has a mesh material, and also as you can see the dope logo on it. It's so classy, it's very minimalist. Also, I think it's pretty much unisex. I'm pretty sure about that. Look at that. so everybody can wear it. It's for both sexes. Look at that, it's so premium. It kind of looks like a Roshi, kind of resembles that design, but it looks so much better because of that minimalist feature or minimalist setting. I'm not really comparing it to Roshi, okay, but also the fact that it has a memory foam in it. Look at the insoles. I'm trying to touch it as well. Oh, nice. This is so cute. Now I'll try to wear it for us, or for you to see. Okay. Wow, this is so cute. Thank you so much, KALON Sneakers, once again, for selecting me to be part of this campaign. And also, yes, that for every pair of KALON sneakers, I'm very much happy to be sharing it to all of you, or to share you my code, of course. Might as well use it. Now, if you're going to buy a pair of shoes or a pair of KALONs, you can use my code, and that's BrianC22, and you will definitely get a 10% discount off your purchase. So how lovely that is. Alright, oh, it's so comfy. I am feeling it right now, no joke. Okay, I love the laces as well. Oh, this is quality. Look at that, guys. Jan. How do I show it to you? Ta-da! Ta-da! Anyway, wow. Thank you so much, KALON Sneakers, once again. Yep. Now, if you want to check out their website, of course, just type in www.kalonsneakers.com. And also, you can check out our Instagram page at KALON Sneakers as well. So just type in, that's KALON Sneakers, and you'll be seeing the entire collection. Now, if I'm not mistaken, they just released 2 colors at the moment, but they are currently having a poll, so you can also participate with that and choose or vote. Actually, vote. I think that wraps up my video for today, and I hope you got something out of it, of course. Yeah, once again, this is your fashion enthusiast, Brian Cabigao, and I'm signing off right now because I still have work tomorrow. And yeah, thank you so much once again for watching. Also, of course, inviting once again everybody to please subscribe to my channel, Brian Cabigao, of course. Just type it in and follow me once again on Instagram at Cabigao Brian. And that's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.